simplify the product of root 24 and 26 and root 26 divided by root 3 times root 18 times root 39. Solution. Now for the numerator rather, looking at the numerator first before we consider the denominator. Now, from here we have root 24. And looking at 26 here also, root 26 is an irrational number. So in this case, for us to split 26, we can't even split 26 as a product of perfect and non-perfect, because the highest perfect square number you can have in 26 is 1. And looking at 39, our denominator, the highest perfect square number you can also have in 39 is also 1. But there is a common factor to both 26 and 39, and that is 13. Because 13 times 2 will give us 26, while 13 times 3 will give us 39. So we can split root 26 as 13 times 2. So let's apply that. While for root 24 here, we can have the highest perfect square number we can have in root 24 is 4. Because here we can have 4 times 6 as 24. So we can have 4. So that is 4 times 6. Then times, what are we having here? This is root 26. We can split this as root 13 times 2 divided by, what are we having here? We have root 3. Then splitting 18. We can split 18 as a perfect and non-perfect. The highest perfect square number we can have in 18 is 9. So we can split 18 as 9 times 2. Then, since we are considering 26 and 39 together, then we need to write 39 as root 13 times 3. Then we have, splitting this further, we have root 4 times 6 now. Since we are having root 4 times 6, 4 is a perfect square. So root 4 times 6 will become, root 4 is 2. So we have 2 root 6 for this. That 4 we turn to 2. So we have 2 root 6 times, but for this one, we are going to write it in a product form as root 13 times root 2 divided by root 3 times, what are we having here? Looking at this, 9 is a perfect square number. So we can write this as square root of 9, which is what? 3. So this is 3 root 2. Then the next thing to do is to write this root 13 times 3 in product form also, applying the multiplication law of surds. Root 13 times root 3. Now, root 13 and 1, root 13 and 1. We have cancelled out root 13. So we have root 3 at the denominator. And also we have root 3 here. Now root 2 here 1, root 2 here 1 also. Now, simplifying further. At numerator, we now have 2 root 6 times 1 left. That is 2 root 6. While at the denominator, we still have 3 here. Don't forget. We have 3. So in this case, we have, at denominator, we have root 3 times 3. We can bring this root 3 together. Then times 3. So in this case, simplifying further, we are going to have 2 root 6, which is at the numerator, divided by what? Now, root 3 times root 3 is what? That is 3. And here we also have 3 also. This is just 3 because this is 3 at the middle. While the root 3 here is this root 3. The last root 3 here is this root 3. So root 3 times root 3 is 3. So this is times 3 also. Because root 3 times root 3 will give us 3. So this will give us 2 root 6 divided by what? What is 3 times 3? That is 9. So we now have 2 over 9 root 6 as our final answer. That is solution to the problem. Thank you.